Let's calculate the distance between this plane and the top point. For this, I'm going to open CamRods and CamSpan, and I'm going to hide all the other cams except the center cam. Now I'll be going to construct and I'll take the tangent plane. So at the top point and at the bottom point. Now I have these two planes. Now coming back, I'm going to update my assembly, multiple cams assembly. So when I update it, you can see that these two planes are visible and the other cams are hidden. So when I rotate this, you can see at the top and the bottommost point, we have these two planes. Now let's inspect and calculate the distance. So here we have the maximum as 325 and the minimum as 175. So this is the sliding distance. Now let us bring the center follower. So here I'm going to assembly joints option, shortcut is J, and here I have placed the slider like how you have seen in the simple cams assembly. So now I have given slider motion to this. Now let us set the limits. So I'm going to right click on slider and edit joints. So here we have seen that the minimum is 175, but I have to subtract the distance of 10 because that is the thickness of the plank. So and here it is 325 and I have made it 315 and it should rest at 315. Now just we have to give the contact set so that we know that they both should not interfere with each other. Cams and cam rods path, center follower. For these two, I'm giving a contact set. So now just move it a little bit and you will be getting everything in the right position. So when I revolve, you can see that I've got the desired motion. Now let's save this, and here I'm going to edit this in place and bring back visibility of the other cams. So show, and then I'm clicking OK. Now we have everything visible, and now I'm going to update everything and then save this file. Now let us revolve and see. So while you revolve, you will understand that for all the other cams also, the distance is going to be the same. That is the minimum and the maximum, but they will be achieving it at a different angle from the middle cam. So for the other followers, also the limits are same.